In this video, I will walk you through how to attempt free AI scored mock test on Gurully step by step. So let's begin. Go to gurully.com or simply search Gurully on Google and click the first link. If you already have an account, click sign in. And if you haven't created your Gurully account yet, you can watch this video to know how to sign up on Gurully for free. Enter your registered email ID and password, then click sign in. Once logged in, you will land on your dashboard. Here, click on the Mock Test tab to see your available tests. A free AI scored mock test will be automatically assigned to your account. Click Start Test to begin. Before the test starts, the system will automatically run a compatibility check. Make sure you are using Google Chrome as the platform works best on Google Chrome. A green tick means everything's working perfectly. Then click the next button. Now, the platform will check your microphone. If you see a pop-up asking for permission, click Allow. If you don't get the pop-up, follow the instructions given on the screen. Now you will have to record a short sample to test your audio quality. After that, you will see a thumbs up confirming your mic is active. Now click Continue to practice. And you will have to give your personal introduction just like in the official PTE test. Record your 30-second response, click Next, and your free AI mock test will begin. You will receive instant AI evaluation and a detailed score report after completion. And that's it. You are ready to start your free AI scored mock test on Gurully. Use it to understand your current level, identify your weak areas, and plan your next steps.